Hi, I'm DMac with VerifyiQ. VerifyiQ is the premier practice management solution for the modern accounting firm using QuickBooks Online or Xero. Welcome to our setup series. Here we will be discussing your frequently asked questions.
In today's video, I would like to show you how the export functionality can be used within VerifyiQ. On the first tab, the Clients tab, if you come to the top right, you can export a CSV file of all your clients. On the second tab, Managers and Associates, if you go to the top right, you can export a CSV file of all your users. Coming back to the Clients tab, let's go to a client and click into it. And then here at the top on the three circles, you're able to export a CSV file of all the items that VerifyiQ found during the review. So here you can export all the correct items. Here you can export all of the items that need attention. Again, the button is right here. And if you click on the third circle, you can export all of the items that the software deemed as incorrect. Now you're asking yourself, why might I need to export this information? Well, our users, our clients, ask for the ability to export this information so they could upload it into their workforce management software. Some are using Teamwork, some are using various softwares, and they wanted the ability to export this information into it. So as a result of your requests, we added this functionality. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Please click to subscribe to our channel so you will be notified of any new videos when they are added. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments section down below, and we will do our best to answer them as quickly as possible.
Thank you. I'm DMac from VerifyiQ.